Hello everyone and welcome to WowSilao. Today I am here with a review of a product which is swissbeauty का 9 color eyeshadow palette with the shade 02. So let's skip to the good part. तो पहले बात करते हैं इसकी पैकेजिंग एंड लुक की. सो इट कम्स इन दिस बॉक्स एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड हैंडी. किसी भी पर्स या बैग में इजीली कैरी किया जा सकता है. Now let's talk about the 9 shades available in this palette. Yeah, the combination of the shades this palette contains is just amazing. It is the perfect choice for pinkish and nude makeup looks as it contains some amazing shades of pink, peach and glitter. अब बात करते हैं इसकी एप्लीकेशन के बारे में, which is wow. It gives nice pigmentation and is really long lasting. It is waterproof. It is perfect for matte, semi-matte and shimmery results. It is such a good product at such a low price. If you are a beginner, then trust me, ये best product है. So, बिना time waste करे, go grab it. To buy this product, the